No matter what this football season looks like for you and your family, one thing can always stay consistent, and that's great game day snacks. With the classic taste of Dale's seasoning, these bacon-wrapped Little Smokies are sure to be a hit. To assemble this easy appetizer, cut bacon strips into fourths, then wrap strips around each one of the cocktail-size hot dogs. Place a pickled jalapeno on top for a little color and secure with a toothpick. Line them up in your slow cooker, and once they're all in there, sprinkle with a little bit of onion powder and about a fourth cup of light brown sugar. Now for the most important part, drizzle evenly with Dale's seasoning. Today we're using the low sodium blend, and this recipe technically calls for 2 tablespoons, but I like to just eyeball it. Then pour in a can of tomato sauce, cover and cook on high for 2 to 3 hours. For more Dale's recipes, visit dalesseasoning.com. For CBS 42 Living Local, I'm Lillian Lalo.
The preceding portion of CBS 42 News was sponsored by Dale's Seasoning.